I want to apologize now for the camera work that you're about to see. There's really no excuse. I should have slowed down and taken my time and purposefully went through and explained what I was looking at instead of just aiming at the ground and swinging around wildly. I apologize again, and don't worry, I've already smacked myself in the face for being such a moron with a camera. Okay, so this was another step. We tried to dig this stump out, but it's going to take more than that. But anyways, we got this this cleared out here. I've got my trailer that used to be right there. My wife is going to be very happy. So we got that out to here. Why do you always pee on the tarps? Stop it. God. Got our fence out here. Gotta go grab the dump truck, back it in here, and just start loading this stuff out. But yeah, this get this trailer going. Kind of excited for that. So we got this all done here to there. So I'm gonna drive that motorhome down and park it in there. Got yeah, Willie came and got all the wood, or like the good firewood. And then we got, that's gonna take that tree. It's a Katani aster. We got all this done. Back into there. And then all down here. So then when Royce comes tonight, well, hopefully tonight, because I can get the box truck, we can load that out. We got this part all done here. And down to there. So then Royce can start loading that asphalt in. We'll get this whole front part done. Yeah, hi tongue. And then yeah, once we get that there, then I gotta start. I'm gonna take a load of scrap in. I got like appliances and stuff I gotta take in. I gotta drain a little bit more refrigerant. But yeah, I got like this copper pipe and these generators. I don't know. I guess I should take them apart. I don't know. I guess I can do some videos on that. I gotta load this stuff out of here. I guess I probably got a half decent load of prepared steel. It's kind of neat. I found, well, Ed found when he was digging out that stump in the fence, like this heavy pipe, chunks of steel, found a bunch of other pipe too, like grater blade, like it was all stuck down in the dirt there. So yeah, there's like a part of a grater blade, and that pipe was in there. And then there was this other, we got those pipes pulled out. I don't know what I did with that other thing. Hi, bud. Nope, you guys leave Bud alone. Yeah. Anyways, this is what we got done this morning, and we'll get to work getting this wood out of here, and we'll take a load up to the dump. All right, bye-bye. The obligatory fighting dogs. Oh. Okay, I think I already got video of this. Anyways, we got the fence is gone. Gotta throw that wood in the dump truck. This wood in the dump truck. No. And gotta put some gravel back in there, but look out here. Hey, stay in here. Why? So, got this gate open, got this all cleaned out here. Hey, stay in here. He's done for the weekend, but he's gonna come back on Monday. And hey, get in here. And then, so yeah, we put a good dent in here, which is nice. But yeah, now we can drive all the way through. And this gate, we've got it. Hey, Banks, get in here. Yeah, there. So, get. Just leave me alone. So anyways, yeah, we got it so that I can, I can lift this and move it by myself. Not right now with one hand, but anyways, I can. I know. So, that's pretty cool. Now, so if you remember this welder, I put a thing on Facebook offering these up to anyone who wanted them, because I figured that there might be somebody, like, the compressor still works. Well, I mean, I don't know how well it works, but it's not seized up or anything. This is not seized up, but I remember I was complaining that I didn't get. Just made the money back on the on that welder. Yes, I know this is still in bad shape, but I found this down at the bottom, and it's all copper. So I don't know what it's got to be. I mean, with the steel, it's probably it's over 10 pounds. So I'm hoping I get a couple more pounds of copper out of it. But so yeah. Oh yeah, my tiny hammer. But anyways, yeah. So this is it. What I'm going to do is over on this side. I'm gonna start stacking pallets. Not stacking, but like laying them down and then stacking the TVs and everything on top of them. And I'm gonna, because they're not allowed to be out in the elements, so what I'm gonna do is get one of those big insulated tarps, and then lay the pallets on the tarp, like on one end, and then I'll flip the tarp over the pallets when I'm done. And that way I can get the shop emptied out, and then they'll be out here and ready for when I can get a truck in. So yeah, but yeah, I'm very excited about this. And this is the next day. Whoa, hey. Yeah, so this is the next day after the one I showed, the update I gave yesterday. But this will eventually all be nice, I hope. Ed came in and, I already showed what Ed did, but anyways, he came in with the hoe. He did an excellent job. That's Forrester Backhoe service. Yeah. All right, everybody. And yeah, I got rid of most of the signs last night. They're gonna come back and get these. Got a couple of the barrels left. I got, yeah, just happy to be like kind of seeing progress here. So yeah, anyhow, we're gonna go and try to talk to the people at the Art Society about getting this. Oh, here, just a second. I'm gonna see if I can like paint this wall white, and then get some murals and stuff put on it. So I'll see if I can get the company name put on, and then get some murals of like some Truth and Reconciliation murals and kind of local from the Heritage Society. I'll see if I can get some stuff done. Yeah. So anyhow, now I'm really done. I gotta go do some things. But thanks for coming along for the update.